Let's make rice water face cleanser. Rice a half cup. Soaking jar. Packaging bottle. This design is readily available. Wash rice 2 to 3 times. Wash thoroughly clean. Pour rice into the jar and add water. Cover the jar and leave it to ferment for 48 hours. After 48 hours, filter the rice and keep the filtrate. You can blend the rice residue for face mask. Run it into your packaging bottle. Our magic cleanser is ready. Ideal for all skin types. Use morning and night with cotton. Take a piece of cotton and add some drops. Clean your face morning and night. It removes dirt and opens up the skin pores. It leaves the skin soft and tender. Do you like this recipe and would you like to try it? Give us thumbs up, please. Thanks for watching.